Imagine being just 10 years old and sitting in class learning about Bitcoin, blockchain technology, and how to use a digital wallet. That is exactly what New Zealand is preparing to make a reality starting in 2026. New Zealand has announced a nationwide plan to integrate digital currency education into its official financial literacy curriculum. The rollout begins in 2026, and by 2027, it will be mandatory for all students from grade 1 through grade 10. Education Minister Erica Stanford says the mission is simple. Kids should be prepared for a financial world where digital assets and blockchain are a normal part of everyday life. Younger students will start with the basics. They will learn what it means to earn money, how to spend it wisely, why saving matters, and how to manage a basic bank account. As students get older, the curriculum shifts into higher gear. Those in grades 6 through 10 will explore concepts like investing, interest, taxes, and insurance. They will also dive into how digital currencies function, what blockchain actually does, and how to follow market indicators such as token prices. This is one of the most ambitious crypto education programs ever announced by a developed country. Parents in New Zealand have been asking for practical financial education for years, and now the government is treating digital assets as a standard part of financial literacy instead of a niche subject. The impact of this move goes far beyond the classroom. When kids grow up understanding digital assets from a young age, they become more informed investors later in life. Stronger financial literacy helps produce smarter, more responsible market participants. Normalizing blockchain in schools shows that governments increasingly view digital finance as part of everyday life rather than pure speculation. This decision might even inspire other countries to rethink their own financial education and speed up global awareness of crypto. As new generations grow up with crypto as a familiar concept, the industry could see more stable retail participation and healthier long-term market behavior. Big picture, New Zealand is positioning itself as a leader in crypto education. The Ministry of Education will be working with financial literacy organizations to create content that reflects the realities of today's financial landscape. This could help shape a generation that understands both traditional finance and digital assets right from the start. We will continue bringing you the latest market data and news insights throughout the week. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update, and search BTCC to check out the newest campaigns available today.